Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Now let's enter Reset options, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and tap on Reset Settings. As you can see, your device is informing you that it will reset all network preferences, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock, and be aware that you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on Reset Settings, and as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.